lovely people. Baltasar Engoga, the Equatorial Guinea's man, who is said to have slept with over 400 women in Equatorial Guinea, has been arrested. So this is how everything started. Baltasar Engoga is a 54 years old economist. He is serving as the DG of the National Financial Investigation Agency in Equatorial Guinea. So recently he was accused of corruption and his houses were searched, both his family house and his workhouse. While authorities were searching, they stumbled on a pile of CDs and they decided to play the first one, and it was the most recent one they played. And guess what? It was their president's sister that was involved in the act with Baltasar Engoga. So upon more investigation, his computer equipment was confiscated, and it was gathered that among others, prominent women were also recorded during the acts. Just imagine, among other prominent women, married prominent women. So these women are as follows. Number one, we have president's wife's sister, the AGF's wife, his brother's wife, his cousins, the IGP's wife. About 20 of their ministers' wives were all involved in this act, according to the video that was played by the authorities that went for investigation. Remember, the investigation they went for was not about this act. It wasn't about this adultery act committed by Baltasar. It was because of corruption. He was accused of corruption. So the authorities were asked to go to his house and his office unannounced. It was impromptu. Maybe he would have, looked for a way to keep this off the public or of the people that came to search. So it was impromptu. They came to search. It was when they were searching that they find this pile of CDs, like I said earlier. So they were moved to play it, and that was when they saw all these videos. And their pastor's wife, some of their pastor's wife was also involved in this act. So there's an update that he has been arrested and will be tested for STI, and if found positive, his charges will increase. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Did they really arrest him for the corruption charges or the adultery he committed with these prominent married women? And in the other hand, if these women were not forced to commit this act, is he really going to face the law? Is adultery an offense in the eyes of the law? I'm not really sure. I'm not sure that adultery is an offense in the eyes of the law, which I'm not sure. Or is it the recording aspect? Is it the recording aspect that is going to land him in more trouble? Well, with time, we will know more about this Equatorial Guinea man, Baltasar, as I will ensure to keep you lovely people updated. If there is any other updates, I am going to make a video of it, okay? But before you click out, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think that is the main cause that landed him in the police custody? The corruption charges or the adultery he committed? Okay guys, please keep supporting us. Like, share, subscribe, follow. Just try your best to support us, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I will see you lovely people in our next video.
What?